then. They want me now, did not want me to win. But now they proud, now they paying to get in. They in the crowd, tell me how's the view now, tell me how's the view now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Smokey. If you're new to this channel, if you're not new to this channel, thank you guys for being subscribed. Please stay subscribed. If you like this look and you want to get a tutorial on how to do this look, make sure you guys stay tuned to this video. But before I get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification button so that you get all my videos that get uploaded. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've done my eyebrows off camera always. I've concealed my eyelids and I set it with Pro Touch setting powder. I set my eyelids already because I don't want them to crease when I start to do my eyeshadows, and I really don't know what colors I'm gonna do. Honestly, I'm not good with putting colors together, so it just takes me so long to I be just deciding like, oh, what color I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this color, but we're just gonna throw some colors together and hopefully it comes out cute. And I really don't know what look I'm going for, honestly. I'm just about to do something. But I'm about to use this as my transitional color. This, I don't know what it's called. It's from my e.l.f. palette. I'm about to use this as my transitional color though. And also, if you guys want to get a tutorial on how I got this hairstyle, I also will be having that video up. I don't know which one is going to go up first, but make sure you be on the lookout for how I got this cute little hairstyle. And then I'm about to go in with the told y'all I can't never figure a color out, but I think I'm about to go in with maybe this kind of, sorry you can't see, maybe this kind of brownish color right here. I'm about to go in with this. Make sure you guys are blending in your colors so that you don't have that like harsh line. I'm still working on it. Like I said, y'all can grow with me. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in with the crayon case, and I'm gonna take the black out of the crayon case for my outer layer. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my e.l.f. liquid liner, and I'm gonna create my wing for right now, because I don't know if I want to put another color. I don't think I do, but you know, some might pop up to my head. I'll be all over the place, don't worry. So now what I'm about to do is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use liquid foundation today because for some reason, well, I know why, but my face is like really dry under here. So I'm going to use liquid liquid foundation and not the powder today because it's summertime, it's hot, and here I dry my face out. But before I put this foundation on, I know I gotta moisturize my face because like I said, my face is super dry, and don't mind all this, I'm gonna clean that up. But yeah.
Invincible.
So what I did was I went and added my lashes offline and did my highlighter offline. Off camera. Sorry, offline. Off camera. I hope you guys like it. Again, like I said in the beginning, if you want to get a tutorial on how to do this quick and easy style, make sure you guys tune in to my next video. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna post this one first or my hair tutorial first, but make sure you hit that notification button so that you can get all my videos that get uploaded. Again, I hope you guys like the makeup. I was kind of nervous, but this is my first time actually doing this on camera. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you're new to this channel, I hope you guys do subscribe. What else? Stay tuned for more videos, and tell me guys how you like it. So comment down in the comment section down below and let me know how you guys like it. Thanks for watching.
They don't want me then, they want me now, did not want me to win, but now they proud, now they paying to get in.